Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. So Capricorn people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Seven of Cups. King of Pentacles. Okay. So Capricorn, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Okay. So we have Seven of Cups with us. Capricorn people, with this card, I feel that you are being, very confused in life. Okay. This is the time when you are feeling lost in life. Okay. You don't know where to go. What should I do? Or what actually is my priority in life. Okay, at some point of time you feel that you should you should work on your career. Okay, at some point of time you should feel that it's okay that everything is or everything is uh, completely a waste of time. Sometimes you feel that you should be in a relationship. Sometimes you want to get rid of your relationship. Okay, so you are being in a very confused energy right now, Capricorns. You are not able to understand what is there for you, what is your priority in life. Okay, be it your career, be it your studies, be it your finances, be it your love life, be it your relationships with your other people, be it your, I mean, with your family and friends and loved ones. Okay, so you are being somebody who is confused, completely confused. Okay, you want clarity in life, but the more you try to get clarity in life, okay, the more you confused. Okay, you have so many illusions in your mind. Okay, what if I'll do something, if I'll do this thing I'll get this thing, if I'll do this thing I'll get this thing. Okay, so these kind of thoughts must be going on in your mind. Okay, so you guys are little, not little, you guys are really confused in life, Capricorns. Okay, on the other hand, this is your partner's energy, King of Pentacles. Your person is posing as a king. Okay, they don't even care about your emotions, they don't even care about your thoughts, they don't even want to know what's going on in your life. Okay, they are projecting themselves as a king. Okay, so they feel uh, they they treat you as somebody who is not worthy of their attention. Okay, they feel that I am the king and I have all the right to to throw people out of my life. Okay, and I am like so busy, I have no time for anybody else's life. Okay, I have a lot of things to do in life. I have, I have work to do. I have, I have people to entertain, I have people to talk, I have, I have my own goals, I have my own priorities. I have my own priorities in life. Why do I care about what Capricorns are going through or what Capricorns are thinking right now? So they are being very selfish at this point of time, Capricorns. Okay, they are just thinking about themselves. Okay, plus they are being very money minded right now. They are being very business oriented right now. So they must be dealing with the people who is going to benefit them in future for their business. Or apart from that thing, they are not the one who entertains anyone. Okay, so that's how your partner is projecting themselves. This is your partner's current energy, Capricorn. Okay, now let's see, Capricorn, how you feel about them and how they feel about you. How you feel about them and how they feel about you. King of Cups. Oh my God, King and King. Okay, okay. So Capricorn, with this King of Cups card, I feel that you feel this person has so many emotions within their heart and mind, but the thing is that they are not allowed to show those emotions. Okay, you feel that they want to talk to you, you feel that they want to be in your life, you feel that they have emotions for you. Okay, but there are some challenges which they are going through in life. That's why they are not, they are not giving you enough time in life. Okay, but I'm not seeing any kind of this thing. Okay, So you see them as somebody who is king, okay, who has lot of emotion within their heart and mind. But at some point of time you feel that your person is not giving you what you want or what you deserve in love, okay. They are just seeing somewhere else. Perhaps they want somebody else in life, okay, in terms of love and relationship. I mean, that's how you feel about them, Capricorns. On the other hand, your person feels about you, Capricorn, as a seven of swords. Your person feels about you as somebody who just want to move out, okay, who is really happy, okay. They feel about you as somebody who can't be in a single place, okay, uh, for a long period of time, okay. They feel that if you will be in a relationship with them, you will definitely quit or you will definitely move out from this relationship, because they are being the king and they must be expecting certain certain or particular behavior from you, okay. So they feel that you are the one who will quit at the end of the day, okay. And plus they feel that you are not the one with whom they can see themselves, okay. Hmm. They feel I mean, that's how your person feels about you, Capricorn, that the I mean, they feel that at the moment they'll be in a relationship with you, they need to I mean, you will be out, okay. You will take all their peace of mind, all their material things with them, okay. So they are not thinking about you. How how you see them and how they see you. Let's see how you see them and how they see you. Six of Pentacles. Oh my God. That is what I'm saying, Capricorns. That's what I'm saying. You see them as somebody who is not giving you enough time and enough affection, enough emotion, okay? They are focusing on some other people, okay? There must be third party situation. I mean, it could happen that they are involved with a third person, but as I told you, they are being very money minded right now, so they must be talking to a lot of people right now for their work thing or for their business expansion, okay, something like that. Okay, it's you who is begging in front of them, okay, it's you who wants their attention, it's you who wants to talk to them, it's you who want them to talk to you, okay. Only then you will be able to confront your emotion in front of them. But they are not seeing you. They are completely ignoring you. They don't even care you whether you exist in, whether you are sitting here or not, okay. They are completely ignoring you, okay, okay. They don't want to even notice you. They don't even want to acknowledge that thing that you are present in their life, okay. They are giving all the emotions, all their time and their efforts and their affection to somebody else, I mean, it could be on on emotional level, it could be on business level, it could be on career level. So it is very much clear that they are not giving you what you deserve in life, okay. So that's how you see them. On the other hand, your person sees you as somebody who has won some small battle, okay. And or perhaps you feel, I mean, they see you as somebody who is not worthy to win a battle on their own shoulders. That's why you need support of people, okay. There are so many people, so they see that you are not capable enough to win or to get or to earn anything in life on your own, okay. Perhaps you need somebody else's support to get a job or to be in a particular career or to get admission or to do something in life, okay. So they see you as somebody who always needs support from other people to grow in life, okay. This victory is not your victory all alone. That's how they see you, Capricorn, that it's not you who has won the battle. You won the battle just because of your supporters, just because of your helpers, okay, just because of the other people. Okay, Capricorns. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Oh my god, Five of Wands. Five of Wands. So you feel in this relationship as you don't feel loved in this relationship. That's the bottom line, okay, of the entire reading. You don't feel loved in this relationship. You don't feel valued in this relationship. You feel completely I mean, you feel that why am I in this relationship? Why this relationship is in my life? So there must be a lot of conflict is going on within your heart and mind, okay? Perhaps your heart says that why are you in this relationship, and your mind asks you to be in this relationship, okay? Or perhaps, as I told you, your person is not giving you enough time or not communicating with you. So that's why you must be fighting with them that why are you not giving me my time? Why are you not giving me that particular affection? Okay, why are you asking me to wait? Why? So there are so many whys in your life with this relationship. Okay, so a lot of conflict is happening in this relationship for you, Capricorn. On the other hand, Knight of Cups. I feel your person does not want to commit to you, Capricorn. Okay, as you can see, they can easily move out their horse, okay, from this situation, from this place, okay. This river is not that deep. This river is not that deep. That's what I'm seeing, or that's what I'm feeling with this card. They deliberately holding back their emotions, okay, if they have. They are deliberately holding their emotions towards you, or perhaps they don't want to commit to you, okay. Perhaps they are just giving you this impression that hey, I'm coming to talk to you, hey, I'm coming to be in your life, hey, I'm doing this for you, hey, I'm doing that for you. But they must be giving you false promises, they must be giving you false hopes in this relationship, that I'm doing something in this relationship, I'm doing something in this relationship. But the reality is that they are not doing anything. They are just making you fool. They are just, wasting your time. They are just wasting your efforts. They are just they are just playing with your emotions, Capricorn. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, they are giving you false hopes. They are giving you false commitments. Okay, that I will come this day. I'll come that day. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you. But I that but the reality is that they don't. Okay, they are just a talker. They are not a doer. Okay, that's what I'm feeling with this card. Now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential for Capricorn? Hierophant. Capricorns, I feel that it's you who will be in a discussion. I think that you in future you are going to take some kind of a counseling session, because this holding back emotions, this relationship which is not worthy at all for you, you will be in a little mental, mess. Okay, your mental peace is, I mean, there is no mental peace in your life. You are like completely confused. Okay, you are compromising on your mental peace, Capricorns. So at this point of time, I mean, in future, I'm seeing you who must be discussing about your emotional baggage or your mental health. Okay, you must be taking counseling session from psychiatrist, or you must be talking to your elders. Okay, you must be taking their advice. What should I do now, or what should I not do now? Okay, whether I should be in this relationship or I should move out from this relationship. So it's you who'll be taking guidance from your elders, okay, about this particular relationship, because I'm not seeing any efforts from your person's side. Okay, let's see what angels are trying to tell you. Angel message for Capricorns. Take action if you believe. Okay, so I feel Capricorn, with these two cards, angels are trying to tell you that if you believe, okay, that yes, this person can be in your life, then take action. Or if you believe that this person is not worthy of your of a second of your life, then take action. So whatever you are going to believe, you need to take action on that particular path. Okay. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with the Seven of Swords. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with that with this Seven of Cups and King of Cups and Knight of Cups. We have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Six of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands and Six of Wands. Okay. So Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.